because I don't really want to swallow it.
Lemons are...
Supposedly really, really tasty.
Well, no, they are the bitterest fruit in the world.
The sourest. And,
yeah.
And they make you tabs it, don't they? So now I'm just going to take a whole chunk of lemon and see what it tastes like. This isn't nice for breakfast. Okay, hold on.
It might be, though. Tastes like... Notice I'm letting you go first.
Yeah, I know. What's that about? That's alright, actually. That's quite nice.
It's kind of like the lemons had some sugar added to it.
It's weird, isn't it?
That's got a hell of a mash now.
It's like eating an orange, isn't it? Do you know what I mean?
Mike, it's good. You should try it.
No.
No.